Alright, so it's your friend the Owl here, and we are at the Aloha United Way on the Mauka side, and we have some delicious beak-watering grub for our little feathered dino buddies. We have minor bird action, we have zebra dove consciousness there, we've got some bobo action, and we have spotted doves. We've got spotted doves too. Uh-oh. Now there's going to be some minor thuggery going on. Because you can't have, a legitimate feast of friends with minor birds without some thug on thug minor bird action. And, okay. And we're still there.